Good morning, guys. It's John from Mntfx. Just a quick update on the trades I just sent out. It was a quick video, and just to help you along, see where we're going with this. Let's start with the GBP Australian dollar, and looking at the 4-hour chart. We've got our standard candles and Bollinger Bands, and on this one we're looking at a target of 30 on the selling point. So strike pulse gave a signal in this area for a sell, and we can see that there's a huge push up by the bulls. And then it flattened out, and now it's fallen under the Bollinger Band. So it looks like that buying pressure has sort of eased a bit there. If we just pop down to the 1-hour chart, if I can, there we go. Again, we've seen that, that push out outside of the Bollinger Bands, flattened out, and then that's dropped, and it's even dropped below the middle band. So now we're looking for it to fall back down, which it is gradually doing as I'm speaking. Yeah, it's coming down there like that. So the buying pressure has eased, and now we get this, falling back. Okay, so that's what you're sort of looking at. This is push out, flat, and down. Okay, right. I'm just going to flip over to the daily chart. Yeah, again we've seen that push out there. And when you get a push out, way out the Bollinger Band, you normally get a pullback. Okay, so that's what we'll be looking at. Push out, pull back, push out, pull back, and then down here, push out, pull back. Okay, alright. Okay, let's move on to the next pair. Okay, so this is a GBP CAD, and we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. Again, very similar pattern. We get a selling signal up here. We pushed out, we flattened out, and I'm looking for that pullback again. You just take a quick look at the daily chart. Again, a huge push out of the Bollinger Band, looking for that pullback to come back to it like a magnet. Down to the hour chart, push out outside of the Bollinger Band, flattened out, buying pressure is eased, we're looking for that pullback, and also see how the Bollinger Bands are starting to squeeze there. Okay, and we all know what a squeeze can do. It can either shoot up or it can pull down. So I'll just set the open price a little bit below, just to take that into consideration. But yeah, it could well, if it does bulls do get a hold on this and it does go up again, then yeah, our price won't open. But if it doesn't, then we'll easily hit our target. It could pull right down here. So yeah, keep an eye on that one. Okay, but it should be sufficient enough there. Right, next pair, USD CAD. So those last two were revised trades. This one, the new trade. Again, very similar pattern. We're pushed out. It's on the 4-hour time frame, flat, and now looking for it to pull back. You take a look at the daily time frame. Okay, again we sort of a big push there. Popped out of the Bollinger Band, but it hasn't stayed outside. It's fallen inside. So there's a good sign that it could pull back a little bit there. And we pop down to the 1-hour time frame. We see again this pull out of the Bollinger Bands, this flat, and then looking for that pullback. And again we've got a squeeze there. Okay, just come down to 30. Yeah, there you go. That's more apparent on the squeeze. Pushed out the Bollinger Band, bulls have lost the pressure, we're easing, and now we're looking for some sort of direction to come down. So you use sort of different time frames to try and get a picture of where this is going, what's happening here. Okay, and on to the USD CHF, dollar Swiss. Okay, so not this time, not so apparent on the 4 hour time frame. Here, back here, we saw that push out and pull back. Okay, but maybe not so much. We've got this little bit of, bit of a wick there. So let's have a look at the daily, see if we get any more clues. No, we're sort of still following it up, but we're underneath that Bollinger Band, so we're not, haven't got a lot of pressure there. Okay, there's not a lot. Take a note of this. Take a look at that. See those two there. It's always worth noting. If we pop down to the 1 hour time frame, does that look familiar? What we just saw on the daily? Yeah, it's that similar sort of pattern. You get this, the bulls, a lot of pressure, bears down again, flat and fall. Okay, back down to the hour time frame. Pressure, bulls pressure, bears down, flat, fall. Okay, so there's the sort of pattern that you're looking for on there. So that gives us an indication that we could be looking down. Again, always set the open price a little bit below. Just take account of that. Maybe pop down to the 30, see what's happening. Yeah, we've got that sort of twin there, outside the Bollinger Bands. No more pressure from the bulls. They're trying, but is it going to start slipping away? If it does, we'll catch it. If it doesn't, okay, it doesn't open, and that's it. There's always another trade, another day for us to pick up. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good one.